Let's peel into the design, for the Oil Shield culinary stickers aren't just protective layers. They are a fusion of form and function. Crafted with precision, the sleek and modern design of these stickers makes them a standout addition to your kitchen decor. They aren't just functional shields, they are intelligently designed accents that seamlessly integrate into your culinary space, becoming a visual and practical delight. They are not just stickers, they are an aesthetic upgrade to your kitchen's elegance. But what truly sets the Oil Shield apart is its functionality. These culinary stickers don't just stick, they repel oil with finesse. The oil-resistant surface ensures that grease and grime wipe away effortlessly, leaving your surfaces pristine. Whether it's the backsplash behind your stove, the countertops near your cooking station, or any other high-oil zone, these stickers become your guardian against culinary chaos. They are not just protective layers, they are shields of cleanliness. Versatility is the Oil Shield culinary stickers' virtue. They don't just confine themselves to one area, they adapt to your diverse needs. The transparent design allows them to subtly blend into your kitchen's aesthetics, while the various sizes and shapes cater to different surfaces. Whether it's a large backsplash or a small section near your prep area, these stickers are your versatile guardians. They are not just protective layers, they are multitasking marvels. Application is a breeze with the Oil Shield culinary stickers. No need for elaborate setups or a professional handyman. The peel and stick design ensures that you can easily apply these stickers to your desired surfaces, transforming them into oil-resistant zones. The adhesive is strong yet residue-free, making removal a stress-free process. They are not just stickers, they are an easy upgrade to a world of clean and stylish kitchen surfaces. But what about durability? The Oil Shield doesn't just prioritize style, it prioritizes longevity. Crafted from high-quality, durable materials, these stickers withstand the demands of a busy kitchen. The oil-resistant coating maintains its efficacy, ensuring that your surfaces remain protected against grease and grime for an extended period. They are not just stickers, they are a durable investment in the cleanliness and elegance of your kitchen. That is it for today. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.